Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to this video. Welcome. I suggest you watch this video thousands of times and practice. This video is the easiest and best trading strategy. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Look at the chart, look at here. This part is fast buy. Speed fast buy. This area is back price, is return price. This area and back price. After back price go sell, fast sell. Yes, this area is fast sell. Look at the chart. First buy, back price, fast sell. Yes. Look at here. Look at the chart. Look at here. Price go buy, fast buy, back price, and price go sell, fast sell. Look at the chart. Look at here. Look at here. This area, this point. Back price. Yes. I want drop local resistance. Design local resistance. This area. Yes. Price back, price go buy, touch local resistance and return price. Yes, continue. Look at the candle, look at the candle. Next candle. Next, continue. Yes, continue. I need big candle. This candle is big, Yes, this candle is fed line, return candle, back candle. This candle is a strategy. Yes, this candle go sell, is fed line, back candle, return candle. This strategy have a stop loss. Stop loss have a buffer. Yes, end of the candle is stop loss. This point is a stop loss. Red line is a stop loss. This point is a stop loss. Stop loss have a buffer, end of the candle. Next candle is open position and active strategy. Open position have a buffer. Yes. Look at this point. Look at the mouse. open position after fed line candle, after return candle, after back candle. Yes, profit is the same size return candle. Okay, the same size is a first profit. One profit, this point. One profit is the same size return candle, first profit, this point. This point is a first profit, and next profit is a local support. This point, this point, this point is a local support. Local support is a best profit, is a good profit. But first profit is the same size return candle. Next profit is local support. Look at the chart. Please look at the chart. Yes, this zone is local support. Continue. Yes. Green candle active strategy. Price next back candle, return candle. Continue. Next candle, next. Yes. First profit. This point. Look at the mouse. First profit. Yes, I get profit. And next profit, local support, take a profit. This point. I get profit. Look at the chart. First TP and second TP or second profit. Yes, this position is very good. Guys, thank you watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.